To do front post and back post, we're going to demonstrate this through a hat in the round. We're just going to start with front post, and we're going through the front of the post. As you see, we just went through the front of the post, then we're going to pull through, and then we're going to double crochet. That means pull through it twice. And you can see that the post has sewn through it, and that your sewing is in the front of the post. However, the opposite is for the back post. You will see you're sewing in the back of the post. Now right there I just did another front post. Okay, now we're going to do a back post. Okay, I just removed that. And then we're doing the front post again. We're going through the front of the post. We're pulling through twice. That's a double crochet front post. Now back post. See how I did that? I went through the back of the post. And then we're pulling through twice as double crochet. This is going to be front post. We're entering it from the front of the post, through the side of the front. But if you were going to do it through the back, you would go through the back of the post. You put the hook through the back. We're going to demonstrate that in just a moment. See how I go through the back of the post. I go right through the back of it. And then around to the front. And I put the material on the loop on the hook, and I pull through twice. And then next one is the front. I'm going through the side of the front. Then I put the material through the hook and I pull through. I do it twice as a double crochet. I am at the end of the round where the chain is from the previous round, and I'm going to continue doing the front and back post in the posts where the chain is. And you can see the braided look that the front and back post pattern gives. And then I'm going to continue the round with the same pattern of front and back post until the hat is finished. And I usually do front and back post on a hat in the round for about 2 inches. And you can make it longer if you want to fold it back. And thank you for watching my video on how to do front and back post technique. Please subscribe to my page, Tiffany's Crafts. Thank you. Have a nice day.